Ryan Gass here, PTP, and I wanted to go ahead and show you the Ruger LCP, first generation, and share my thoughts on this firearm. So, pluses about this firearm. It is a very concealable, very small frame firearm. It can be in a holster. It could be in your pocket if you so choose, which we'll talk more about that. It's very easy to have this firearm and no one knows that it's on you. Some other things though about this firearm though is it is very small. And so, you know, I would say larger hands. I have a little bit larger hands than even the average male. And with this firearm, I can't get a complete good grip on this. I can't establish my finger on that magazine at all. So I lose that as well. Also, the sights are very low profile. It's very hard to find these sights when you're presenting them to the target. And also, it has a very long trigger pull. All right, so show you right here, all right, all the way back, all right. Let go all the way back, all right? And actually right there, you feel the click right there. That's not all the way. If you pull back now, it won't actually go off. I let go all the way and then pull back. So it is kind of tricky. You have to really know and understand and learn this trigger in order to properly be able to use it. It does, again, it only holds 6. This is chambered in 380 ACP, and it only holds 6. I'm sure there's aftermarket out there that can hold a little bit more and whatnot, but I'm just talking about the firearm itself as it comes from the manufacturer. Again, this is the Gen 1. There are people I met, you know, and opinions are like anything. Everyone's already got one. And there are people that love this firearm, and there are people that I found that can be accurate with it. But that's not a large majority of the population. Also, a lot of people like the firearm. They think they like it from feeling it and seeing it, but when they go to shoot it, they notice that it has a decent amount of kick for the size firearm that it is. This is shooting a 380. My Glock 17 here, right, it shoots a 9mm, which is very, very similar. More or less, a lot of people refer to as 380 as being a 9mm short. So this firearm has the same damn near kick as this large full frame gun, and yet I cannot get as good of a grip on this firearm, as good of a purchase on this firearm. And also notice when I get my grip on this firearm, look how quick and how close to the muzzle that my firearm is. That can definitely present a safety issue when I go to draw and fire that firearm, and if my finger's in front of that muzzle right there near it, that's gonna be a bad day. So something you really need to think about when you go to buy a firearm. You don't want to just buy a firearm and hope that it works for you and that it's going to work safely for you. Whether it's this firearm or others, make sure that you're doing your research. Make sure that you get experience with it before you just go out there and spend money on these. These aren't crazy expensive. I think I bought this one a couple years back for about $300. Not bad, you know, but there are firearms that are a little bit more expensive that can give you a lot more value that I personally like a lot better. You know, I don't carry this firearm. The smallest firearm that I carry, at least currently, is my Glock 43. Obviously, it's gonna be a little bit larger than this. It has very similar capacity, that firearm is a little bit larger, so I can get a full grip on that firearm and be able to better control that. So that's what I've chosen when it comes to a small, discreet, compact firearm for concealed carry. But we are going to do more videos with this firearm, and we're going to actually get it on the range, compare it to the Glock 43, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard, as well as other small frame firearms, and try to show you all what the differences are when it comes to these firearms so you can have a better shopping experience and using these firearms for concealed carry. For more videos on the LCP as well as many other firearms, be sure to check out our YouTube channel here, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training, and to find more videos we're going to be coming out in the future, hit that subscribe button as well as the notifications bell. And as always, make sure that you learn, defend, prevail.